We'll
All
do
right.
it live.
We built him a little tree house. Go ahead. Hold on to him. Go. Go ahead, buddy. Yay! There's their nuts. Let him go. Back up, Ava. Let him get comfy. He's like, damn, it's like a sauna in here. I'm chilling. There you go. Hey, buddy. Good job. There's your house. It's all yours.
Yay.
Just for you. Ah,
He probably doesn't know how to get down though. If you can climb out of the box and just climb
I would think he got good enough claws to do
Why
that.
don't you put a little board there or something so he can? Well,
There he goes.
So, goodbye.
Ta-da! Hey.
you didn't do that live, did you? No.